Here is a wonderful 2016 Chevrolet Silverado. This vehicle still has fewer than 110,000 miles on the clock, so it won't last long. Aim higher than ever in the all-new Silverado pickup, the truck that digs deep to give you more of what you want and need. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: keyless entry, fog lamps, four-wheel drive, 8-cylinder engine, heated mirrors, satellite radio, steering wheel audio controls, Wi-Fi hotspot, Bluetooth connection, leather steering wheel. See how refined and comfortable a bold, muscular work machine can be. Drive the all-new Silverado.